In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of obtaining a real estate broker's license in the state of Tennessee. Whether you are looking to make a change or looking to open your own brokerage, becoming a broker can be a rewarding and fulfilling process. So let's get started. The licensing process is fairly simple. Just follow these 6 steps. 1. You must have your sales associate's license for 3 years to be eligible for a broker license. 2. You will need to complete 30 hours of broker education. After you complete the course, you will also need to take and pass a course final exam with a minimum passing score of a 75%. 3. This application must be filled out and submitted to the Tennessee Real Estate Commission for approval. This process can take up to 4 weeks. 4. The Real Estate Commission will require you to get your fingerprints taken and send them off to the Tennessee State Law Enforcement Division or the FBI to process for a background check. 5. Take and pass the licensing exam with PSI. 6. You will need to finalize your application, submit any other required documentation, and pay any fees to the Tennessee Real Estate Commission. And that's it. In order to get a real estate broker's license in the state, you must complete the 90 hours affiliate broker pre-licensing course if you did not complete prior to initial licensure, and a 30 hours broker management course. Perry Real Estate College offers these courses online, available 24/7, completed at your leisure. The Tennessee Real Estate Commission requires each new licensee to obtain a background check before being eligible to obtain a license. The applicant will need to get their fingerprints taken at the Tennessee State Law Enforcement Division or the FBI to process for a background check. The Commission will evaluate each person's criminal history on a case-by-case basis. If you are unsure if you will be eligible, please confirm with the Commission. Each new licensee is required to pass a broker's licensing exam administered by PSI. You are only eligible for these steps after you have turned in the broker exam application and it has been approved. The exam is broken down into 2 sections, a general portion containing 75 questions and state portion containing 50 questions. You will be given 4 hours to complete the exam. Each section must be completed with a 75% or higher to pass. Once you've passed the licensing exam, it's time to finalize your real estate broker's application, submit any required documentation, and pay any fees. You can find the application and more information on the Tennessee Real Estate Commission's website. So, that's a quick overview of how to get a real estate broker's license in Tennessee. It's a process that requires some determination and hard work, but the rewards can be well worth it. If you have any further questions or need additional information, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more real estate-related content.